Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can merge parts in Onshape. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to find is basically the Boolean icon, which is two overlapping circles right up here at the top. And yeah, click right here. Then you see here Boolean. Alright, so here you can select Union. So yeah, um, with that you will merge, subtract, or intersect. You have also these two functions. But if you want to merge, you will use union. Then what you need to do, uh, you will click on the individual part you want to merge. So you can select them. Let's say this one and this one and this one, for example, and then what you're going to do is just press here this green check mark to finalize the operation, and just like that you will merge two uh, parts together. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next